Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make an easy but pretty DIY bracelet. So first you're gonna need 2 strings. They're gonna be the same length, and then you're gonna get a pendant that you like and place both strings through the hole of the pendant. So what I'm gonna do is get all the ends together and then pull the pendant into the middle of both strings. So now you're gonna get both ends of one string and then get the other ends of the other string, and then you're gonna adjust it, and then your pendant should be in here. Now you're gonna get a new string. So mine is pink, and this string color is going to show on your bracelet. So this is going to be the color of your bracelet. So this is how I place my white string and my pendant. Now you can get your colored string, place it under the white string, put it over the other string. As you can see, you can get your fingers through the hole and then pull it through the hole. Pull the bottom string, not the top string. Now you can tighten the knot, push it near the pendant. Now place the pink color string on top of the white, place the other under and pull it through the hole, and then tighten the knot. Now you're gonna get the other side over the white string, get the other one over the pink string, and then under the white string, and then through the hole. And then tighten the knot. And you're gonna repeat this process over and over again. I'm gonna say it again. Over the white string, under the white string, through the hole, and then tighten it. So this is what you'll see. Once you're finished with one side, go to the other side and pick another color or any color you like. So I'll show you how I place my bracelet when I'm working. I place it inside my pencil holder and place a heavier object on it. So now you'll need another string. So mine is purple. And I'll get both ends together so that I'm gonna find the middle of the string. Now place it under the white string, place the bottom string on top of the purple string, and then get your other string through the hole. And now you can tighten the knot. And it's exactly like the other side. So now you get the purple string over the white string, the other one over the purple string, and then under the white string, and then through the hole. Tighten the knot. Put it over, under, and then through the hole. And then you can tighten the knot and repeat this process over and over again until you got your wrist length. This is what you'll see over time, and this is what you'll see when you're done. So you get 2 colors on each side and the pendant in between. Now you're gonna cut the colored string only, not the white string, because you're gonna need it later. So once you cut it, you can cut it a little further, cut both sides. And what I did is I used fire to melt the string a little bit and stick it back onto the bracelet. It's almost the end. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna make the part where you can adjust your bracelet length so that you could fit it inside your wrist. So I clip both ends onto the edge of the box. So you have to make it like a shape of the bracelet, or else it's gonna look weird. Now get a new string. I'm gonna use a purple string, so put both ends of the string through the bracelet, and then do the same. Put the under string over the top string, put the bottom string through the hole. And then I'm gonna find the middle of the string because I didn't use too much string and I don't want to waste too much string. Now tighten the knot. This knot doesn't have to be too tight because you're gonna be sliding your bracelet through this sliding knot part. Do the knot over and over again like you did in the bracelet. And I'm not gonna repeat this, you could just watch it or you could skip the video. So this is what I got. You could tie more knots. So I have adjusted my bracelet so that it could fit my wrist already. And then I'm gonna tie 2 simple knots on each side of the bracelet. I'm gonna tie the knots as close as my sliding knot as possible because I don't want too long strings dangling out when I'm wearing the bracelet. If you want that, do it like I do. You could also add beads at the end of your bracelet. I did not do it in this video, but I did it with my other bracelets, so you just have to place your beads first and then tie the simple knot. Once you're done, you can cut the ends off and then you can use fire to melt the edges a little bit so that it will not loosen up. And now you're done. It's easy and simple, so you could try it out at home anytime you want.